So hello all, welcome to my channel. If you're first on my channel, then please subscribe my channel Coding with Ayush and make me a popular YouTuber. So let's start today's video. So in the last part we are doing the TechPort chatting app. So we have designed so far the login screen and we have done till the conversation screen. So let's get started. And Okay, so in this part, we will be constructing a whole the Firebase app, the TechPort app, and we will be publishing it to you in YouTube. And also the APK file will be given to you as soon. Okay, so let's get started. So we have done till the float button. So we were on this screen. So when we are clicking on this float button, so extension will be there on the description box. So these three extensions I have used. If you want Wi-Fi notification, then see my the database app project, and you will be getting it in them. So let's get started. So I have this Wi-Fi notification. So I have chosen an icon and suppress sound. So now we are dragging from the media app layer. This is not required, but if you want, then you can do it. Okay. So volume would be 100 and source will be uploading. So and as my file is open, so now I'm into desktop and at the extensions, and here sound a notification sound is there, as you can hear. Okay, so then I have uploaded it successfully. So as we have uploaded, and now we are going to design it. So whenever the chat is created, so first we have to create a new chat. So the dynamic component extension and drag and drop this dynamic component dot create, and so that we have to create it on the media. So here's the media block and the component name, that should be button, and id, let the id to be 1. Okay, so and as you can see here, um, like any component button is there, right? So we have to just click on it and have click. So here is it. Any button, any custom float button, any dynamic component, any horizontal, like that. That means in the screen how much things we have dragged, that all would be available over here. Okay. So then any button. So when any button, then drag and drop this set button dot text of component 2. Okay. So as it is the vertical, the when we click on this that float button, so then this media would be like it will be invisible, and this vertical arrangement comes to visible. So this is our text box, as you can see, and this is create button, and we have an image, and so now we are going to the block section. So we have to give an component. So in the dynamic components, a block is there, that is get component id. So id is 1, so we have to just paste it over here. 2, what? To text box 1 dot text, right? Means here they are asking like the button would be created, but of what component? Component will be dynamic component with id, and so we have to give a name to that button. So the name would be text box 1 dot text, that is like we name the group in WhatsApp, like that. If I have typed here like something Ayush, then the group name will be Ayush. Okay, do you get it? And so I'm enabling all the that. all editing. And now I'm going to drag that typhon notificator first button. So seconds in after that is done, then how much seconds should it be delayed? So I'm giving one, and then we need a title, text, and start text. So title as I'm giving tech code, and text as you have received a new message. Receive. Okay. Oops. Uh, so as the first starting test as I'm giving you, so that like it is starting from you. And so we have done with this, and we are uploading in one more extension, that is a banner. So in the extension itself it's there a badge view. So we are uploading a badge view. So as you can see, here is the badge view. This component is so big, so I'm giving a background color. So I'm taking the background color from the screen one. After editing I will show you. So I've given here animation and shadow enable, all other the background and everything is done. So I'm invisibling this and media to be visible. So as you can see, and I'm adding this one, create in, on which we have to create a badge. So I'm giving the button one for just now. So here we drag it. So badge number, like how much notification. If I give badge number 1, then it will in over here a circle will be created, and inside that one would be written. So like that the function of this works. So let's get started to the next screen, that is screen 4. So I'm giving its title, and after editing I will show you. So as you can see, I have given here a text box, a notifier, and a list view. So now I'm going to drag our cloud database, that, and a tiny db to recognize the username, and a sensor, that is a clock. So here we don't require this tiny db. If you want, then you can add. So I'm not requiring the tiny db. And I need a typhon notification. And now we have to drag one more component, that is a web one. Okay, a web one. And so we have done with our all parts. So if you want some images to add to your app, so then you can do that. As I am adding like the stickers, like in the WhatsApp there are many stickers available to us. So we are also giving a sticker here, and so on. So I have added many stickers. If you need, then you can add. So as we are done with our that all designing, so the coding part will be available to you in the part 3 of this chatting app. And please stay tuned with my channel, subscribe and like for more videos. So thank you.